Let's talk about the projector that just flipped the script on home entertainment, the Anker Nebula X1. At first glance, sure, the $2,999 price tag might raise an eyebrow, but give it 10 seconds. You'll see why it's a steal. First off, this isn't your average projector. It's the world's first liquid-cooled 4K triple laser. That means razor-sharp image quality, true-to-life colors, and whisper-quiet performance, even during marathon movie nights. With 3500 ANSI lumens, Dolby Vision, and AI spatial adaptation, the X1 literally auto-adjusts to your space. Focus, zoom, keystone, it's all automatic. No fuss, just flawless. The visuals? Stunning. We're talking 100% BT. 20/20 color coverage, native 5000:1 contrast, and buttery smooth HDR10 playback. Gaming, movies, sports, all look insane. Add Google TV built-in, voice control, and optional wireless satellite speakers for 360-degree surround, and you've basically got a cinema that fits in a backpack. So yeah, it's $2,999. But for what it delivers, it's not just a projector, it's the future of home theaters. And guess what? It's available now. Links below.